Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th exercise 15A. In our previous class we have discussed up to question number 7. Now the question number 8 is, each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angle of the triangle. Okay, you have to find the angle of triangle. So in question number 8, let the third angle of isosceles ट्राइंगल इज x डिग्री. हमने एक एंगल थर्ड एंगल x डिग्री ले लिया है. सो टू इक्वल एंगल are 2x degree and 2x degree. Okay, after that 2x plus x equals to 180 degree. Now it will be 4x equals to 180 degree, x equals to 180 upon, it will 5x upon 5. 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5. So 5x equals to 180 degree, x equals to 180 upon 5. When you cancel, it will be 5 3 the 15 36 degree. So x equals to 36 degree. Now you have written here 2x. So 2x equals to 2 multiplied by 36 equals to 72 degree. Means your one angle is 36 degree, second will be 72 degree, then your 72 degree. Okay, this is your answer of question number 8. The answer of question number 8 is. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is, if one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is right angle. Hint has been given, angle A equals to angle B plus C. Okay, so question number 9, suppose the angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. In hint it is given that angle A equals to angle B plus angle C. So angle A plus angle A equals to 180 degree, because angle A equals to angle B plus C. So angle B plus C, you can write here angle A, it will be a twice of angle A equals to 180 degree. So angle A equals to 180 upon 2, 2 9 ja 18. So angle A equals to 90 degree. Okay, angle A is your 90 degree. After that, and this we have to prove that right angle is your 90 degree. This is your answer of question number 9. Okay, the answer of question number 9 is 90 degree. Now let's come to question number 10. Question number 10 is, if triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if twice angle A equals to thrice angle B equals to 6 angle C, calculate angle A, angle B and angle C. We have to calculate here angle B, angle C. Now the question number 10 is, twice of angle A equals to thrice of angle B equals to 6 of angle C. We have to find here angle A, angle B and angle C equals to, we have take here x degree. So angle A equals to x upon 2, angle B equals to x upon 3 and angle C equals to x upon 6. After that, sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So x upon 2 plus x upon 3 plus x upon 6 equals to 180 degree. Now take LCM. LCM will be your 6, 3 and 2. LCM will be your 6. After that, 3x plus 2x plus x equals to 180 degree. So 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 1, 6. 6x upon 6 equals to 180 degree. Now 6x upon 6 equals to 180 degree. So it will be 6, cancel out 6 and 6 from here, or 6 1 ja 6 or 6 3 ja 18, 0. Okay, 6x equals to 6x upon 6 equals to 180 degree will come here. 6 and 6 will be cancelled, so x equals to your 180 degree. Now the angles are angle A equals to x upon 2 and x is your 180 upon 2. Angle B, x upon 3 and x is your 180 upon 3. Same angle C, x upon 6 equals to 180 upon 6. Cancel out all these. 2 9 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18. It is your 6 3 ja 18, 30. Means 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Angle A 90, angle B 60 and angle C is your 30 degree. This is answer of question number 10. Now let's come to next question. Question number, what is the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle? You have to, your homework is question number 11. It is same as compared to question number 9. Okay, now we will discuss question number 12. Question number 12. In the given figure, this is your figure in question number 12. A, B, C, and this is your D and E. D and E. 55 degree, 65 degree. It is given. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC. If angle A equals to 65 degree, angle B equals to 55 degree, find. First one is your angle ADE, second angle AED, and third is your angle C. Now, in this DE, it is given that DE parallel to BC. DE parallel किसके है? BC के. So, angle ABC equals to angle ADE equals to 55 degree because of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay, we have find here first part. Now the second part is given here. We have to find angle AED. Okay, second part, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle C equals to 180 minus 65 plus 55. Right? 65 plus 55, or you can write here or you can write here angle A is your 65 plus angle B is your 55 plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now angle C equals to 180 minus 65 plus 55. Angle C will be your 60 degree, right? Angle C will be your 60 degree. Now DE पैरेलल है BC के, DE is parallel to BC, so angle AED equals to angle ACB equals to 60 degree. Why? Corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. After that, now the third part is here. We have to find here angle C. We have find here angle C. Okay. Third part will be your angle C equals to 60 degree. We have find. Okay. Same pattern you have to use here in finding the angle C. Now the homework is your from question number 13, 14 and 15. Homework is your question 11, question number 13, 14 and 15 you have to do. Your exercise will be complete. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.